This is the tartar wall, severe calculus deposits on the tooth, causing gum inflammation and harboring bacteria. Tartar buildup below the gumline allows bacteria to spread. This causes inflammation and forms periodontal pockets. Here we see heavy tartar accumulation along the gumline. Tartar, also called calculus, forms when plaque hardens over time. Root planing smooths the tooth root surface. Fine instruments carefully clean hidden areas. Next, airflow cleaning removes stains. Notice the regained brightness. The ultrasonic scaler uses high-frequency vibrations to break apart hardened calculus. Now we move below the gumline.